Navigating volatility amidst inflation data, election concerns, and corporate reports. The good news, India's inflation rate lowest in 11 months. The annual retail inflation rate in India eased to 4.83% in April of 2024. The positive takeaway was that it was the 8th straight month that Indian inflation remained within the RBI's tolerance band of 2% points from 4%. Our call of the day suggests Nifty bulls may be benefiting from higher expectations that lower interest rates are ahead. At first blush, Nifty appears to be marching higher again towards its all-time high at 22,795 mark, but that said, there is going to be lots of volatility under the surface. Please note, India VIX, or Volatility Index, which measures the market's expectation of volatility in the next 30 days, has shot above 20 levels, indicating heightened volatility ahead. Honestly speaking, election jitters on backdrop of lower voter turnout so far in the Lok Sabha polling has left investors worried about any negative surprises. Meanwhile, traders will now be eagerly awaiting key US inflation data set for release on Wednesday, 15 May 2024. Investors will be also most interested in Fed Chair Powell's speech on Tuesday, 14 May. With the Federal Reserve, the big question is still when the first cut will come. Global cues are mostly neutral. In yesterday's trade, FII sold shares to the tune of Rs 4499 crores. DIIs, however, were net buyers to the tune of Rs 3563 crores. Sentiments for the day is likely to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating massive rebound play after yesterday's sharp reversal. FANOME month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 21,700 to 23,000 zone. India VIX has spiked to 20.60 levels, up around 100% from recent low. The VIX Fear Index continues to point potential turbulence. Nifty PCR, 30th May, is at 1.06. Bank Nifty PCR, 29th May, is at 0.79. Nifty Outlook, a rebound play on cards. Nifty, CMP 22104. Intraday support on Nifty is placed at 21,933 mark. Immediate intraday resistance is placed at 22,369 mark. Range for the day is between 22,000 and 2350. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 47754. Interweek support is placed at 46,579 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance for the day is at 48,259 mark. Range for the day is between 47,300 and 48300. Bias for the day is positive. Corporate India's Q4 results to trickle in, 14th May. Bharti Airtel, Siemens, Shree Siemens, Colgate-Palmolive, Oberoi Realty, Patanjali Foods, Apar Industries, Apollo Tyres, BASF India, PVR Inox, Zydus Wellness, Safari Industries, Dalmia Bharat Sugar, Nilkamal. Meanwhile, Zomato reported a net profit of 175 crore rupees for the January to March period. Revenue rose 73% year-on-year to 3,562 crore rupees. DLF Q4 results, net profit shot up 62% at 920 rupees CR, total income came at 2,316 rupees CR. Jindal Steel Q4 net profit have risen 100% to 933 crore rupees amid a robust domestic demand environment. The company's consolidated gross revenue in the January to March quarter, however, remained flat at 15,749 crore rupees. Copper prices have spiked to its 2-year high amidst bullish long-term demand and tight supply conditions.